In this tutorial I wanted to explain a little bit more about Vasari's wind tunnel and different ways of getting results and simulation with the wind tunnel. In the following examples I have used the analysis in 2D and 3D to show some of the difference both in the visual output and how it creates the result. Here I have put up different simulation using different voxel analysis grid size. The first one is 10 and the other one is 5. So already here we can see some differences between the 2D simulation output if we are using a larger voxel size or smaller. So in this one with the 5, of course it's getting more detail and more precise. But if we try to look at the next one here, where I compare the 2D simulation with a 3D simulation, here we actually get another result than the 2D simulation, getting more accurate, because these 2D simulation will only simulate in this 2D slice specified under the grid size over here, so it doesn't take into account if the wind blow over the building or whatever it does. But in the 3D simulation it takes this into account, and therefore there is a difference between these two, even though that is the same voxel size and the same data display scale or value scale. In these two examples it's 20 meters per second, and you maybe could say this doesn't give that much information. So if we look at the last comparing here, where I have from 0 to 20 and from 0 to 15, then we can see in this one we're getting more information. So the point is here that sometimes you need to tweak the scale to get more information when you're only working with visual comparison. So in this case then the color scale is better when I used 0 to 15 instead of from 0 to 20. In other videos I will show how to do the 2D slice simulation and the 3D simulation, what kind of stuff you can do and what you should be aware of.